Welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. We've got a very exciting video here. We love porgs. As you can tell, we've got a small little flock of porgs here. We call Tinkerbell our little porg, so here's our little flock. I've also got a porg mug and a porg shoulder pal. If you've seen our video kind of showing off some of the merch that we got at Disney World, if not, we'll link it above. But we thought we'd add another member to the porg flock today, and we're very excited. We're gonna see what this porg transforms into now. Not quite. Let's try it out once more. And there we go. It's the Porg Loungefly. I've wanted this one for so long since we do love the porgs, and we are very happy to add this to our flock. This is actually, I think it's a 2018 summer convention bag. There were only 500 of them made. It is a used bag, but it's in pretty good, pretty excellent used condition. There are really no marks or anything on it, and I got it for a really good price on eBay. There was actually one on eBay new with tags that sold a little bit before this one for a bit of a higher price, and I was a little bit sad that I missed it because it was one of the cheaper prices I've seen for new with tags, and then this one popped up. It's pretty great. Like, there's really no marks or anything on it at all. I was really happy to get it for almost like a discount for this bag, with only 500 of them being made, and it really doesn't pop up too often, and this was one of the ones that I really wanted. So along with this and my orange bird, now I have two of the backpacks that I really like. You can see he's kind of fuzzy and furry. It's really cute. Not like a faux leather on the front and around here like most other Loungeflies. He's got an interesting material for a porg, and then you got the faux leather for the eyes and some of the details up here. And then he does have a zipper in a front compartment, and then a really cool Star Wars Loungefly plaque. And then on the side you got the faux leather, some side pockets, nice brown trim that looks really good with the cute little porg fur you got on the top and the sides there. On the back is just a brown faux leather, really nice brown straps.
But what about the best part?
Of course, we gotta take a look at the lining. This bag was used. It didn't come looking great, like quite this great. It came looking like a pancake, really smashed up in a tiny box. So I'll actually put some pictures in here of what it looked like when I got it. So I stuffed it up. I used clothes because they kind of fit to shape, and it's looking really good again. So I think it worked, but that lining is adorable. You've got the porg in different positions, making different faces, looking adorable. I am super happy to have the Porg Loungefly backpack. This one's definitely coming with to Disney World the next time we go. And just look how cute it looks along with the other members of the porg flock. They're all different, but they're all cute in their own ways. All porgs.
All different shapes and sizes.
Yeah, of porg. But we love them all. And of course, Tinkerbell.
But we have one more surprise, so 3, 2, 1.
There's also a porg coin purse. How cool is that? And it is a Loungefly coin purse too. I had actually never seen this one really. There was another fuzzy one online that I saw a few times when I was looking on Mercari and eBay. There was like a full body porg one when I was looking on Mercari and eBay, but I had actually never seen this one pop up, and it was one of the only ones that was faux leather and had a face, kind of just like the face on the porg backpack, and I thought it was adorable. It's really kind of cool with the details of all the layers of the faux leather and the applique there. It's cool too because it kind of has the Star Wars heart logo Loungefly plaque there, which is pretty cool for the coin purse, and it just looks great along with the backpack. They're different colors, you know, you can see it's kind of between the different colors of all the porgs, but they're all awesome. They're super cool. We like taking coin purses with to Disney World so we can put the collectible pennies in them when we go and store them in here, so this one's gonna be perfect. It's pretty sizable. The lining is black with Star Wars printed on it, and this one was completely like new with tags and everything. The plaque still has even that plastic wrapping on it, so that was a really cool find. I got it for a deal. I got it for $20, which I thought was amazing for this porg coin purse to go along with the bag and take to Disney World. The porg flock grows. We also do have the shoulder pal and a couple other porg things. There's a porg in my car too. If you haven't seen our All of America Day 1 video, we'll put that above as well, because there's the porg flying in the car.
You're missing another porg item. Your shirt.
Oh, and this shirt, of course, if you didn't notice, I'm wearing a porg shirt with BB-8 that Jamie got me for Christmas, and I love this shirt, so this is also coming the next time we go to Disney World, and I'll probably wear this porg backpack with this porg shirt, which will be perfect. Hope you enjoyed getting to take a look at this super cool porg backpack that's joining the Porg flock and our collection of Loungefly bags now. I'm getting this super cool coin purse to take to Disney World and use for some pressed pennies and other things that we may get there. Like those golden 50th coins if they still have them the next time we go.
Imagine if they have a Porg penny.
I wish. That would be so cool if they had Galaxy's Edge pressed
I don't
pennies.
even think I looked when we were
Yeah, we'll
there.
have to check. Maybe they do. Maybe there's one with like Chewbacca and Porgs on it. So if there is, we're totally gonna get it. It's gonna go right in the Porg coin purse, which will be perfect. As always, thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we will see you soon.
And this video is Palm approved. Palm Porg approved.